Hey guys, Anthony Massimino with Remediation 911. Today I'd like to talk to you about our mold maintenance program. So you can see here we've got this big containment area in this very beautiful 13,000 square foot home here in Fort Myers. Had a roof leak still from the hurricane. This particular client is very sensitive to molds. They get sick a lot easier than the average person. So what do we do to help them aside from just performing remediation? But we have a maintenance program that is an annual program that is very similar to any other maintenance program you have, pest control, pool, HVAC, whatever it may be. We come out, we do micro cleans quarterly, it's a la carte, we do duct cleaning. The average home produces 40 pounds of dust a year, aside from the fact that every time you open the door, mold spores fly in from outside. Safe to say you should probably have your duct work cleaned annually. That's what our maintenance program offers. It's a la carte. We work alongside with a lot of snowbirds while they're here. We come in and we clean their property once a month. While they're gone, we'll do it quarterly. Remediation 911 for all your remediation needs, but most of all, for the people that are really sensitive to mold, this mold maintenance program is gonna help you keep your house clean and sanitized. So many people spend $85 to $120 a month keeping their pool blue, and they swim in it maybe a half a dozen times a year. What money is being spent by homeowners to keep their air sanitized where they're spending the majority of their life in their home? Not a lot. The mold maintenance program from Remediation 911 can help you keep your home as safe and as clean as possible for your family.